Hey guys, I'm Tara. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a yoga flow to get you ready to go to sleep. So we're going to unwind and work on grounding down so that you can kind of relax before you go to bed. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button below and then we will get started. So we're going to start with a quick meditation. So you're sitting in easy pose, Sukhasana. We're going to do a mudra that helps us ground and relax. So it's called U mudra. So what you do is you're going to take your pinky and ring finger and then like you're making a peace sign. So you hold it with your thumb, with your two fingers up, and then you're going to bring your two fingers down so your palms are facing down and they touch the ground. Okay? So you're holding the hands in that position. It should be comfortable. You don't have to be like rigid. And then just close down the eyes and relax into this. Gently start to bring the hands back into heart center. Blink your eyes open and let's move into a wide-legged child's pose, Savasana. So you're going to have your toes together, knees wide, and then reach forward. Keep your palms facing down and just relax into this posture. Gently start to walk the hands back. Bring the knees together. Go up on your toes. Rock back on your heels and move into a forward fold. So you can keep the feet wide. Have a bend in your knees first and just relax down. Cross the arms and just hang out. Letting the weight of your upper body fall to the floor. If you want more of a hamstring stretch, then go ahead and straighten the knees. Just like swinging gently side to side. Letting the body relax. Relax the hands down. Slowly roll up to standing, one vertebra at a time. Reach your arms overhead and bring the hands through heart center. Reach the hands back up and fold forward again, Uttanasana. This time, place your hands on the floor, drop the knees, and come into all fours. And come forward onto your stomach for Sphinx pose. Hold here. Trying not to disturb Macy. She's very relaxed. Still make this an active pose, so pressing through the elbows and pulling the elbows back a little bit. From Sphinx, relax all the way flat, extend your hands out, and then relax your forehead on the mat. Breathe here. So we're just going to roll to the right and left side. So bending your left knee and rolling onto your right side. Arms straight out, relax your head like a pillow. Rest your left hand on the hip and just let your body make whatever shape it wants. Straighten the leg out, come back to center. Straighten the left arm and roll onto your left side. So your right knee comes up. And again, whatever shape the body makes on the floor. Relax down, come back with hands extended out, and relax your head on the floor on your stomach. From here, turn all the way onto your back. Okay, so we're going to do a modified happy baby. So you're going to hold on to your inner ankles with your hands. And just let your knees fall out to the side. Keep your shoulder blades tucked underneath you. Close down the eyes and breathe here. Relax the legs back down. Keep your knees bent, bring your feet together, and let the legs fall out to the side for Supta Baddha Konasana. Steady breathing. If you need to place blocks or pillows under your legs here to make it more comfortable, feel free to do so. And let's have the palms facing down. So the palms are down on the floor. Take a few deep breaths here. Feel the belly rise and fall. Belly rises on the inhale and falls on the exhale. Use your hands to lift your legs back up and straighten your legs out and relax into Shavasana. You You let your legs fall out to the side, palms facing up. Again, keep the shoulder blades tucked underneath you. And just feel your body relaxing into the mat. Scan your body for any points of tension. If you notice any tension, just breathe into that body part and let it relax into the mat. Let the mind relax. Maybe you could gaze at the third eye point, the point between the eyebrows, with the eyes closed. The mind starts to wander, just come back to the breath. Feeling the belly gently rising and gently falling. Each inhale and exhale. Start to bring your awareness back into the body, gently wiggling the fingers and toes. Bend your knees and roll onto whichever side you would like today. Straighten out the arm, roll to your side, and rest your head on your arm like a pillow. Use your hands to start to press you back up to sitting. Sit in easy pose, cross-legged. Bring your hands into prayer. Place the hands at the third eye. Thank yourself for taking the time to practice today and taking the time to relax before you go to sleep. Bring your hands to heart center. Thank you for joining me today. Namaste.